kar sang'wen otieno mana piny Rugodo odiechieng' manyoro. E wang' apaya maduong' ma Nairobi kochomo Mombasa oyangi kod anyuola mage. Anyuola makamago osechako chenro mar daro ringrego ka gitero e ute kano ringre jomotho machiegni kodgi ka gigologi kar kano ringre ma Machakos level 5. Mary Nzilani mochung'ne kar kano ringre e osiptal ma Machakos level 5 oyango ni ne giyudo ringre 6 kowuok e masira mar apaya ka ji 2 mamoko ne otho e kinde manichionegi thieth.
Tulipokea mili 6 direct, wale walikufa hapo kwa hapo na 2 wakakufia casualty, sote ikawa 8. Kwa sasa relatives wote wamekuja wameconfirm mili yao 7 of them. Saa hii ni mmoja tu haja confirmiwa.
We received 11 patients in the department. Most have been stabilized and left discharged home. Currently we have, as of this morning, we had 2 patients in the wards. 1 female has been discharged with multiple fractures that have been repaired, and we have one who's waiting for a surgical procedure. That's the
Madaktari wamefanya juhudi sana kufanya investigation kulingana vile naendelea. Saa hii wamekuja kugundua kuna internal bleeding, nataka niende theater.
Daktari amemwambia kuna ile inaitwa internal bleeding na nafaa apelekwe theater ndio angaliwe zaidi.
Nilikuwa nimekuja kuidentify mwili wake. Hatushaupata, sasa tumetransfer